Hello everyone. In Rajasthan tourism subject, we had completed Unit 4 and we will continue with Unit 5, which is past, present, and future of Rajasthan tourism. So, past, present, and future is only consists of the domestic tourism and the foreign tourism trends in Rajasthan. So, it was the history in Rajasthan that the domestic tourism was consecutively increased in every year, as well as the foreign tourist visits has also increased during the past few years. Department of Tourism, Government of Rajasthan, what it actually works as far as Rajasthan is concerned, vast potential and resources are there, but the need to pay heed is required. Rajasthan rich culture, history and heritage have always been a center of attraction to all masses, not only for the international tourists but the domestic tourists as well. Along with the international tourists, the need of an hour is to look at our own people, experience the share of own our rich cultures and mingle interstately in all spheres by multiplying our income and integrity as whole. Then tourism department of Rajasthan has some strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats as well. Then we will discuss some strengths of the Rajasthan tourism department. Domestic tourism has the potential to increase the productivity of Rajasthan natural, human, cultural and technical resources. It is a labor intensive industry providing employment and contributing in better quality of life. Then weaknesses, one of the major drawbacks is the low priority given to the government, which reflects in the limited budgets, limited cooperation and coordination capabilities, and the inability to implement strategic initiatives and projects. Then there are some opportunities which is interlinked with the Rajasthan tourism department, and those opportunities are, the major opportunities are leverage the huge potential of Indian domestic urban population to develop pilgrim tourism, rural tourism, cultural tourism and heritage tourism. Then there are threats to the government as well. The main internal threats to the development domestic tourism sector are failing to effectively resolve the constraints mentioned in the weaknesses. There are security, safety, health and sanitation, failing to improve communities in the decision making process for the development of tourism, failure to adopt and implement sustainable development and management practices at the sites, especially in the rural and natural areas of the country. From an external point of view, the main threats are not effectively approaching the fears and the ever increasing competition from competing states like Kerala, Uttaranchal, etc. over reliance on the few well-known international and domestic travel markets like Gujarat and Bengal. The availability of natural resources are the attractions of the Rajasthan, like a skilled human resource based government policies, the economic, socio-cultural and environmental effects of planned tourism activity, local population opinion, the degree to which an entrepreneurial climate exists, the destination accessibility, the presence of complementary services and facilities such as infrastructure and superstructures. And there are some unique selling points of Rajasthan in Indian culture. In our high point, the tourism point of view, our fairs and festivals are integral part of our culture. Here are a small list of fairs and festivals. There are Indian USP as great tourism product. India is worldly known as land of vibrant celebration. One can see the cultural and life of Indian during the celebration of various fairs and festivals celebrated with high spirit in each and every town in India. So we will discuss some of the festivals of the Rajasthan. is Gangor. The most important local festival is Rajasthan, celebrated last for 18 years. It is dedicated to Gauri. A Migni is a manifestation of a goddess Parvati. The desert festival celebrated in the golden city of Jaisalmer has an aura of its own. The festival becomes lively with legions of puppet acrobats, and the folk dancers add splashes to the color. Then Nagaur fair. Nagaur bustles with life during an annual cattle fair, which is one of the largest in the country. Mahavir Jayanti marks the festival of Mahavir, the founder of Jainism. Then Tej, the Rajasthani festival, is celebrated by the women on this day, on the third day of the moonlight fortnight of Shravan, is a memory of goddess Parvati departure to her husband's home. Then we have Pushkar fair. The lovely and gigantic fair falls on the last day of the Hindu month of Kartik, near to this sacred lake of the Pushkar. Rajasthan Tourism Unit policies: tourism safety and security. There are some safety and security policies for Rajasthan tourism as well as in what we have already discussed in previous class. In year 2006 and 2007, policies for Rajasthan tourism was made, and those policies also includes the safety and security of the tourists as well. Then we have tourism publicity. Rajasthan also does the publicity by the Rajasthan Promotion and Publicity and aggressive marketing. Following efforts are being made at the departmental level: printing of tourism publicity literature, advertising, international conferences, film, photos and CDs, exhibitions, seminars and conferences, hospitality, library, souvenirs are some of the examples which do the merchandising of the Rajasthan tourism. Then it also describes about the accommodation facilities that Rajasthan provides to the tourist. Tourism education, research and status in Rajasthan is going on. Physical and organizational infrastructure of Rajasthan tourism is the part of the policy as well. The tourism department of Government of India has some roles and functions in Ministry of Tourism as well. Indian Tourism Department, ITDC, came into existence in October 1966, and it comes Tourism Department of Rajasthan forms in 1956. Rajasthan Tourism Development Corporation Limited, RTDC. Rajasthan happens to the largest states of India, which has the area of 3.42 lakh square kilometers. Rajasthan has also boasts of being the only desert of the subcontinent, namely the Great Indian Desert, in combination with the Aravalli mountain range. Then RTDC motto is respect, trustworthiness, dedication and care. They work for these 4 basic mottos of Rajasthan tourism. And in next class we will discuss about the importance of tourist police in Rajasthan as well as in India. Then we will move forward toward the tourist potentials of Rajasthan. Thank you.